Ferragosto, an important holiday here in Italy. Actually, Ferragosto is a festivity of ancient origins, celebrated here in Italy in recent times on August 15. The name Ferragosto derives from the Latin phrase Ferie Augusti, the vacation of Augustus, and refers to the festivity that was established by the Emperor Augustus back in 18 before Christ, which was added to other existing festivity, the Vinalia Rustica, the famous wine feast celebrated in ancient Rome. Well, during the festivities, horse races were organized throughout the empire, and raw animals were dispensed from work and adorned with flowers. Now you can spend Ferragosto with your family or friends, by the seaside, in the mountain, in the countryside. Normally everybody cooks something, and usually you eat a lot. The most important thing is that you have to be outdoors, and Italian weather helps a lot. Today we are taking you to the countryside. My tribute will be the Vitello Tonnato. Ladies and gentlemen, Italian food lovers, make sure you have everything you need. Today we prepare the timeless recipe of Vitello Tonnato. The piece of meat I choose is Veal Silverside. This weighs about 2 kilos, which should be fine for 9 people. I boil 4 liters of water with 4 tablespoons of bouillon granules. I add 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 clove, and just a pinch of salt because bouillon granules is already salty. The most common mistake is to put the veal from the beginning into the water until it boils. You will get a very good broth, but not a good meat. While the veal cools into its water, I prepare the sauce. I love making my own mayo. Of course I can buy it, but nothing compares to the homemade mayo if you choose the right ingredients. Really, it's something else, too good to describe.
Mescola la pasta!
The Italian way of making food.